Dr. Ella, though, didn't directly address the question of how his vaccine got clearance without phase 3 data. He did share a slide, though, which mentioned that the efficacy or effectiveness data of the phase 3 trials will only be out between March to October of this year, that is 3 to 10 months from now on. In other words, there is no effectiveness data as of now. Now, this is borne out by the investigators conducting the Covaxin trials in different hospitals across India. We spoke to a cross-section of them to understand where they stand when it comes to actually the phase 3 effectiveness data in the trials they're conducting, and this is what some of them told us.
So approximately next 2 months, we feel that we will be able to get some efficacy data. There are two types of efficacy data. One is clinical efficacy and one is which is statistically significant, or what we see in research. So clinical efficacy of the vaccine we have already seen in phase 1 and phase 2. It is showing good safety, immunogenicity, as well as clinical efficacy, because those participants who have been given vaccine have now developed COVID till date, and we are into 6 months of phase 1 and 4 months of phase 2 now. So clinical efficacy is there, but for the regulatory bodies and for statistically significant efficacy, we need to compare it with placebo on a large scale. So those results will be available in the coming next 2 to 3 months.
We have already enrolled 1,000 volunteers for this trial, and the 2 doses was to be given 20 days apart. Today we completed a second dosing also. So we have already completed the second dosing today. See, as per protocol, the 45 days after the first shot, the efficacy will be tested. After today, it will be around 10 days, 10-15 days.
इनिशियल टारगेट हमारा 1000 था फेज 3 के लिए. मतलब मैं अपने साइट की बात कर रहा हूँ जी. मेरे साइट पे 1000 का टारगेट था, जो हम लोगों ने टाइम के पहले कंप्लीट कर लिया. तो फिर रिवाइज टारगेट हमें मिला था 1330 का. तो जो हम लोग कर रहे हैं 1200 के करीब हो गया, 130 बचा हुआ है. सेकेंड डोज अभी तक हमने 15 से 20 लोगों को ही दिया अभी. अब जैसे जैसे 28 दिन होता जाएगा फर्स्ट डोज के बाद, वैसे वैसे सेकेंड डोज देते जाएंगे. नॉर्मली इफिकेसी के लिए सेकेंड डोज के बाद एग्जैक्ट कहना तो मुश्किल है, क्योंकि उसमें जो पैरामीटर्स हमें देखने होते हैं उसमें टाइम लगेगा, करीब 2 महीना, 1.5 से 2 महीना.
Month, 2.5 months, say these doctors and investigators. We also spoke to some more of the investigators. Dr. Manish Kumar Jain at the Maharaja Agrasen Super Speciality Hospital in Rajasthan, also conducting Covaxin phase 3 trials, say we've enrolled about 1,340 so far, and none have got a second dose yet. We've only started administering the first dose on the 18th of December. Dr. Parul Bhatt at the GMER's Medical College and Civil Hospital in Gujarat, also conducting these phase 3 trials for Covaxin. We've enrolled over 1,000 people, she says, and 250 people have got the second dose since 2nd January. The phase 3 study is supposed to go on for a year. Ours will end in November of 2021.